Get your home ready for fall. Essential maintenance tips for Canadians. As fall arrives in Canada, it's time to prepare your home for the cooler months. Taking proactive maintenance steps now can save you from costly repairs and ensure comfort throughout the season. Start by inspecting your roof to prevent leaks, sealing any drafts around windows and doors, and servicing your HVAC system for optimal performance. Test safety devices like smoke detectors and inspect your plumbing to avoid freezing. Don't forget to clean your fireplace, trim trees, and tidy up your yard to protect against storms. A professional home maintenance inspection can uncover hidden issues and give you peace of mind before the weather changes. When you need a professional inspection, be sure to call AmeriSpec Inspection Services at 705-722-5876 or visit ontariohomechecks.ca to schedule your fall home inspection. If you're a homeowner or property manager, AmeriSpec Inspection Services will help you confidently tackle the year ahead.